So, hi, this is Nat speaking. Tsuko asked me a long time ago if I could show my workflow of development, and now at last I uh, have the program for it and have some time and I try it. Okay, let us show. We need Android Studio. I have it already open because my laptop is rather slow, so it takes a long time to. Then we need ATCS, which I've already opened too. I want to do something at the project Omicron, and very central is Git. I use this Git program. It's rather basic, but it has all the functions I need. Okay, then let's start. I have several repositories. I have a target repository and a source for the compile. About this I can tell some details later. And here are the ATCS projects. I want to use Omicron RG9. Okay. First thing I ever do is look if there's some new change. Of course, it's refreshing now. Okay, nothing. And I have currently nothing new. Good. Then I work in Open Explorer windows for, for the JSON CG, and another one for Ocean Explorer. Right. This was created, and here I take Omicron RG altered JSONs, and I take them all into Notepad++. Oh, great. For example, I want to correct an error in the Thieves 3 quest. And let me see, normally I take the quest list, there it is, and in another view, there it is, like this, and I know it is number 3 where an error is. This progress I found the step is given too late in the progress. Okay, to find it I'll use normally as reference or dictionary ATCS. I know it is something with UMA. I'll just jump in a bit earlier in the quest, maybe here. Gildner 1 and look the directory. Yeah, that's the dialog I want to have. This one is a reward. That's not the one we look for. Team murder is Quackshot. It's not the one we need. There. With this, here the reward now come. Reward 10 is given, and we see it comes from this and from this path. Okay, so we have to do it to give the reward an 18b. and in 18A. That's easy to do. I look for the reward. There it is. Copy and cut. (18B) and 18A. So that's all. And I save it. Wonderful. And now we should see it in Git. Voila. That's it. Added, and removed from here. Okay, now I could commit it to master and pushed it to GitHub. I won't do that now because I know that it is worked on the repository. I think Gong is already working on it. Okay, but now I want to try it. That's what I use ATCS for. Every time I change the sources via Notepad, I have to call ATCS again, because I have to refresh the dictionary. There, it is the workspace Omicron RG9. Okay, and this takes a while. I'll show you what I will do later. When I generate the sources, I go to Andor Studio, have already my mobile phone connected to it, and then compile it and thus make the APK. And when the APK is there, I could use WinSCP to put it into this path where I uploaded all the APKs when they are created. There will be an Andor .apk. Later on I will rename it to a name like this and then just copy it to internet. Okay, let's see. ATCS is still loading. I have a very slow PC, I mentioned it already. Okay, I may tell something about Git. I have a source repository, ATCS, Omicron, and I have a target. I use this as target for compile. ATCS is generating the sources into this directory. This is important because I have several projects like Omicron RG9 or Hourly Mountain. They need different settings, e.g. the PNG files are not the same and so on. And for this I use a branch. I have a branch for each project, Omicron RG9, Hourly Mountain, Test Brimhaven. They all have similar but slightly different settings. So, there it is. Here the new setting is inside. I just believe that it's okay. Tool export project. I use the into game source folder option. Seek for the Andor folder in my GitHub target. And export the files. Done. That was quick. And now Android Studio has the source that I wanted. I just generated. I save this project, never change it. and just let Git and ATCS generate the sources it should do. Okay, let's compile it to the phone. Okay, while it is compiling, I might show how I work with the maps. I just open the directory, created and altered, and with double click Tile is opening, and I could work with the map directly in Tile. There it is, and here I'm working just normal, as you might know. So now it's installing the APK on my phone and launching. And in a few seconds it should be started. Et voila. Now we should see our, there it is, the freshly generated, it's here, the APK. This one I could rename and copy it to the internet, and then I'm ready and I have a new version. Okay, that was roughly my development workflow. I just want to show when what I have to do when I switch the project. Then best I close my Notepad++, close all, and tile source 2, it's all right. The Explorer windows all the way, and now two things. I am at not Andor, that's my target version. I have to discard all changes in the target version. Discard all changes. This is only the generated files. ATCS generates them each time freshly. The PNG and other settings are already committed and pushed to the branch. So it's new, and now I can change to another project, Aulia Mountain, for example. Oh, great. We should see now in Android Studio that the actor condition with icon is exchanged or is vanished. It's the other settings that we want to have. And then I open the ATCS project Aulia Mountain. Look if there's a new updates online, and if not, I just can start to work like before. Nothing new, and I didn't change something yet. Now again I use the Explorer to find my sources. I'm now in a different workspace in Aulia Mountain, created JSONs, and like before I'll just open them all in Notepad++ and so on. Okay, I hope this gives a rough idea how I work.